In 5G new radio, how we organize data in time and frequency domain is fundamental to achieving flexibility and efficiency in 5G. So when we allocate a spectrum band, say for example 10 megahertz, that bandwidth must be structured to transmit user data into the two dimensions. It could be the time domain or it could be the frequency domain. So in case of the time domain where the frame is of 10 millisecond long, just like in LTE, each frame is then divided into 10 subframes of 1 millisecond each. A slot typically occupies one subframe, which is of 1 millisecond, but this can vary in 5G based on the numerology. So numerology is a new concept in 5G, which is having an impact on the subcarrier spacing and accordingly on the slot duration. So numerology plays a very important role here. Now, what will happen if we keep on changing the numerology on the y-axis, if you see here, and on the x-axis, you see the time durations keeps on decreasing as the numerology keep on increasing. So if the numerology is 15 kilohertz, the time slot is of 1 millisecond. As it increases from 15 to 30, the time slot has decreased from 1 millisecond to 0.5 millisecond. So we have now the flexibility of placing the resources in time and frequency domain. In case of numerology, this is a new concept in 5G where we have for different services, we have a different subcarrier spacing and hence the slot duration for each of them. So we can go from 15 kilohertz to 30 kilohertz to 60 and then going up to 240 kilohertz. Now, this complete flexible subcarrier spacing has certain use cases. For example, if you want to have the enhanced mobile broadband services, in that case, we'll use numerology 0. If we have the faster data with the moderate latency, in that case, we'll use numerology 1. As we keep on increasing towards the use cases related to latency, in that case, we'll have the higher numerology in place. So numerology 2 is used for lower latency services. Numerology 3 is used for millimeter wave. Numerology 4 is used for very high speed use cases. So each numerology has a different use case. Now, as compared to 4G, if you see where it was just restricted to 15 kilohertz, we have a flexible approach in 5G to provide the different kind of services. We have a slot duration which was fixed in 4G as 1 millisecond. In 5G, it is variable ranging from 1 millisecond to 0.0625 millisecond. Again, the numerology keep on changing the slot duration. So the adaptability in case of 4G is very limited as compared to that in 5G. 5G is highly adaptable, and here the frame structure and numerology offer scalable time frequency resource allocation. This enables the tailored performance for every service. We have an efficient spectrum usage in this case, and it is a foundation for advanced feature like network slicing and lower latency services in 5G.